permaculture, we practice ethics, and the ethics of permaculture are care of the land, or care of the aina. Indigenous cultures have been caretakers or custodians of the land, and this is an experience for people to have here at the sanctuary, learning how to take care of plants, of the animals and the wild energies through the system, and in doing so they're taking care of themselves. This is the fundamental basis really of why this healing place and community space is in a Garden of Eden, or we're creating a beautiful garden for it to be in. When people come here to the Hawaiian Sanctuary, they are learning or experience how to take care of the land and interact, sometimes for the first time. Energy here by the people working on the land is to nurture it. And as we care for the land, we're caring for each other. We've included lots of different varieties of plants which will specifically be used in the 2 kitchens operating here, so that people, when they come here to heal, they'll be fed the highest quality vibrational food that there is on the planet, basically, and especially in this area. Noni, for example, brought here via the canoe by the Pacific people over the waters, is one of the, definitely in the category of superfoods with high constituents. We've got edible flowers that they can eat. As conscious consumers, we need to look at our minimal footprint on the earth, and in doing so we sustain lots of people's livelihoods. We also support ethically fair trade on the planet, and ethically we support decreasing food miles. So there's lots of plants we can put in the gardens, and plants like the ulu tree here, the breadfruit tree, which provides a lot of food for people in the future, and there's quite a few being planted here simply because it's an amazing food source. And permaculture is also about abundance. What more beautiful thing to have but a healing centre amongst the abundance of the Mother Earth. These parts of the gardens are just behind the main open area, and as you can see, simply by creating some different shapes and patterns, and we've tended to use a lot of circles and spirals, simply because that's the way energy moves. Along here we have this meandering, what I call the snake, the stone snake. We're just down the road from Pele here at the sanctuary, and when I first looked at designing this area, I saw these red gingers in a lot of Hawaiian gardens, and realised that when we create this edge along here, we can create something similar to the feel of a lava flow, simply because of the colour. So you can see this edge got planted a few years ago. We've just been busy planting this edge now, and when we film maybe in next year, you'll see the whole edge. So there's a whole process in how we choose plants. There's a process where we look at what functions do they have, what uses do they have, are they beneficial to insects, are they going to be beneficial to the plants next to them, how are they going to improve the soil, are they cover crops, are they manure crops. And specifically we're looking here at combinations of plants which we can eat, plus can handle the wild energies. And when I say wild energies, we're talking about the wild pigs that dig a lot of things up. So we're looking at plants like turmeric. Turmeric is one of the highest medicinal plants. It's a rhizome. It's used in a lot of superfood drinks. It's used in a lot of culinary dishes. We've got galangal, which is also a very strong medicinal plant. Again, these are plants that are so potent that virtually nothing even touches them. So These are out here living in the snake because they are the survivors, and if we are to survive, we need to plant the abundant plants that are our medicine and are the surviving plants. Behind me I have Nassus alatus, which is a wonderful bamboo which is edible to eat. The shoots are edible to eat raw, so they're 3 or 4 years old, and soon they'll be being cut and brought into the kitchen as the best sprouts at the sanctuary. We also look at the earth as a living organism. It's the Mother Gaia. When we take care of the mother, we're also nurturing ourselves. We are learning the connections we have with people. We are practicing ethical behaviour. Permaculture is about re-establishing, evolving in a way with the landscape that we are helping the land heal. So that's our duty, that's our responsibility, that's our service here at the sanctuary, and everyone that's involved becomes a part of that.
Spirit, human, bring together for the excellence.
Hana pa'a pono. Hana pa'a pono.